সকল বোর্ড ২০২২ সেন্টেন্স কানেক্টরস ঢাকা বোর্ড ২০২২ Once there lived a grasshopper and an ant. The ant was hardworking, but the grasshopper was lazy. As a result, he idled away his time dancing and sleeping. Moreover, he sometimes advised the ant not to work so hard. Rather, But but the ant paid no heed to the grasshopper. Rather, he continued to work hard gathering food for the coming winter. Naturally, winter came covering everything with snow. The surface of the earth went under the snow cover. Then the grasshopper could not find any food. So he had nothing in stock. Then he went to the ant for help. The ant gave him some food for the day. Finally, the long winter has ahead, and the grasshopper was really worried about his survival. পরবর্তীতে সিলেট বোর্ড ২০২২ Trees are a vital part of our environment because they bear a great impact on the climate. But we are not kind and careful about them. Rather, we destroy trees at random. As a result, one day the country will bear the consequence of greenhouse effect. As our is an agricultural country, our economy depends on agriculture. Moreover, trees play a vital role on our climate. Firstly, trees keep the soil strong and protect it. Secondly, trees save us from flood and many other natural calamities. Besides, trees provide us timber, which is of great use, especially in construction works and for making furniture. Therefore, trees are our best friends. পরবর্তীতে বরিশাল বোর্ড ২০২২ Mobile phone has added a new dimension to our communication system. It has made the world closer to us. Actually, অথবা in fact, actually it has made worldwide communication easier. We use it for our day-to-day communication. Thus, it has been part and parcel in our life, as we cannot go for a single day without using it. We use it for rapid communication, but mobile phone is not free from defects. It has some negative sides as well. Firstly, excessive use of mobile phone may damage our hearing power. Secondly, it is a means of money wastage. At present, number F হবে at present, it is seen that many underworld crimes are being done with the use of mobile network. Moreover, the radiation from mobile phone may cause cancer to the users. H নাম্বারটা হবে however we are aware of these harmful effects, but we are not aware of using mobile phone. So we must have to be conscious of the negative impacts of mobile phone. পরবর্তীতে চিটাগং বোর্ড ২০২২ We want success and prosperity in life, but we do not do what are needed in achieving this. If we want to make our life glorious, we must follow some rules. Firstly, we have to be industrious because without hard work, success in life is impossible. Secondly, we should be sincere in our activities. Some people think that good luck is the root of all achievements in life. According to them, nothing is further from truth than it. In fact, every success in life depends totally on our activities. If we spend time in idleness, we must suffer. So, we should be honest in life because this virtue helps us greatly to gain our goal. পরবর্তীতে কুমিল্লা বোর্ড ২০২২ Mobile phone are one of the most commonly used gadgets in today's world. Actually অথবা in fact, এক্ষেত্রে আমরা actually দিব. Actually, mobile phones have made our life easy and convenient, but they are a blessing till we use them judicially, judiciously. Though they are very beneficial, they have some disadvantages. Firstly, excessive use of the device acts as a barrier to quality communication. Secondly, mobile phones waste a lot of time. If number হবে thirdly, they are the causes of many ailments such as weak eyesight, strain on brain, headaches, dry eyes, sleeplessness, and more. Finally, they have created a lack of privacy in people's lives. Thus, we see how the device is both a boon and a bane. So, we must not let mobile phones control our lives. Rather, we must know when to draw the line. পরবর্তীতে দিনাজপুর বোর্ড 2022 Luna looks intelligent. Actually, she works hard on her studies. Consequently, she seems to have poor taste taking skills. সরি এক্ষেত্রে আবার শুরু থেকে বলছি লুনা লুকস ইন্টেলিজেন্ট অ্যাকচুয়ালি শি ওয়ার্কস হার্ড অন হার স্টাডিজ বাট শি seems to have poor taste taking skills. Consequently, she often does badly in the exam. Moreover, she repeatedly denominator she repeatedly makes some strategic mistakes during a written test because she starts off really slowly. This initial slowness forces her to write too hurriedly towards the end, resulting in spelling and other mistakes. If number also her answers are often too long. For this reason, she sometimes has to leave some questions unanswered because of time constraint. Besides, এরও পাশাপাশি she never starts with the easier questions as other students do. Instead, she answers questions sequentially beginning from the first one. Thus, these impractical habits of hers lead to poor time management during the exam. পরবর্তীতে আমরা লক্ষ্য করছি যশোর বোর্ড 2022 ড্রাগ অ্যাডিকশন নিয়ে প্যাসেজটি এসেছে ড্রাগ অ্যাডিকশন ইজ এ গ্রেট কার্স অফ দ্য প্রেজেন্ট ওয়ার্ল্ড Previously, a few things were used as drugs. Recently, the number of drugs has increased. For example, cocaine, marijuana, opium, heroin, morphine, etc. These offer denominator with these offer another world to the addicted ones. Unfortunately, অথবা এক্ষেত্রে আমরা দিব but they do not know that this addiction destroys the inner part of the body of addicted persons. However, why do many people take drugs? The reason are many. Firstly, some people are tempted by their so-called friends to have a taste of drug. Thus, they are trapped forever. Secondly, some people take drugs to forget the frustration of their life. Actually, those who become drug addicts cannot live a normal life. পরবর্তীতে ময়মনসিংহ বোর্ড 2022 The old sailor spoke so strangely that the guest stood still. The feast began and the guest could hear the music, laughter, but for some reasons he could not join the others. The old man told him about his last journey on the sea. They had sailed away to the south until they had arrived in the cold grey sea. Initially, the sea was frozen, therefore, the ice was around them. The big sails opened wide, and the strong wind blew them quickly through the icy waters. The weather was very cold. As a result, there were no birds and animals in that snow covered country. But one day the sailors saw an albatross flying towards the ship. All men were very pleased to see it, and they gave it food and water. It came to the ship every day, whenever they called it. But one day the old sailor killed the bird, and after that everyone had to undergo terrible sufferings. পরবর্তীতে রাজশাহী বোর্ড 2022 বাতাস সম্পর্কে প্যাসেজটি এসেছে। Air is an important element of our environment. Actually, clean air is essential for our life. However, air is polluted in many ways. Primarily, one thing that pollutes air is smoke. Smoke is produced from different sources. Firstly, we make fire to cook food and it creates smoke. Secondly, buses and trucks playing in the roads emit smoke. Moreover, the burning of coal in the railway engine also produces smoke. Furthermore, the mills and factories also produce a huge amount of smoke. Finally, we melt tar for road constructions, which produces black smoke. Unfortunately, all these smokes mix with the air and pollute it. As a result, smoke from different sources is causing serious harm to our environment. সকলকে ধন্যবাদ পাশে থাকার জন্য। সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল আইকনটি বাজিয়ে দিন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।